Hi guys, Merry Christmas!
Crackling wood all season, decorating alone this Christmas. Once again, making amends and tying loose ends.
Oh my gosh, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name is Caroline and you should totally subscribe and join the man fam. I'm gonna be showing y'all what I got for Christmas 2021. This December is not Decembering like all the other ones, and it just hasn't really felt like the Christmas season, even though like I've been doing Vlogmas and stuff. But the gifts that my family got me are literally probably my favorite yet. I say that every Christmas, but this one was a very good Christmas, and I hope that you guys all had a great Christmas. A little disclaimer that everybody does. In no way am I trying to brag or show off any of these gifts. This is kind of just something that I do every single year along with other YouTubers. And also, if you're watching this on a time when it's near your birthday or you're getting ready for next year's Christmas list, hopefully these are some good ideas. Without further ado, let's get into it. I've got this whole bag full of gifts plus some stuff over here. So I'm gonna start with the stuff that's not in a bag first. First gift is from my parents. They got me something for my new house that I'll be living in next year. My mom knows that I have a huge love for snow globes, and so she got me this one that looks like this. It also has like a little twisty thing that sings. It's so cute. It's also pretty heavy too, so I'm really excited. Next, I got a volcano candle. I have a huge love for volcano candles. This one isn't their classic Capri smell. This is toasted almond. And I wish you guys could smell it through the screen, but I'm obsessed with like the watercolor effect on the outside. These candles are the best. Capri blue, volcano, y'all need to get them. Then I got a pair of shoes. These are from Reebok. I've been wanting these for so long, and I'm actually really surprised that my parents got me these because they know I have like 800 white pairs of shoes. This is what they look like. I am obsessed. They're also workout training shoes as well. Here we can start with the bag. From my grandma, I got $75 in cash. As we get older, she usually sends cash for our gifts, but she used to send like really cute toys and stuff when we were younger. From my godparents, they sent an Amazon gift card because gift cards are always the best gifts to give as well. And I go on Amazon like all the time. From my parents, I got the Skinny Confidential Hot Mess Ice Roller. I've been wanting this forever. I listen to the Skinny Confidential's podcast all the time when I'm driving in the car or going on walks. But I'm so excited. You like put this in the fridge or the freezer, and then when you wake up, you like roll your face with it, and it depuffs it and tones and soothes your face. So I'm really excited to use this. From my sister, she got me 2 different hair clips. Here's one of them. Looks like this, and then here's the other one. I love the clips that look like this, especially because my hair is so long, it like gets it all up and everything. Next, I got this hat from Aloe Yoga. I love simple baseball caps. I think they're super cute, especially like if you have a really bad hair day and you still want to work out, you can wear these. Or you could also just like walk around and pair this with a cute outfit. So my mom saw this on my list, this Aloe Yoga hat, and she got it for me. Next thing is from both of my parents. They went to Louis Vuitton together, and my mom and I got the same thing actually, just like different colors. So she got me a new wallet because I've been carrying around this little Louis Vuitton coin purse for the longest time, but it was my grandma's originally, so it's very old. I still love it, but my mom wanted to get me a new one, and so this is the new wallet that she got me. I am obsessed. So it's the classic Louis Vuitton brown pattern, but it's themed pink on the inside, which is so freaking cute. Look at this. This is perfect. So much more space. And I just, oh my gosh, I'm so excited. This is like the best. I literally screamed when I opened this because I've been wanting this for so long. So thank you, Mom and Dad. This gift was specifically just from my dad. He tries to do one gift on his own because most of the time when we open gifts from both of my parents, my dad has no idea what my mom got. So this one he actually picked out. For Catherine's gift, he got her a Kindle, but he got me a JBL speaker because I've been wanting one for so long. This gift is from Catherine. It is the Lululemon LA reversible mock neck. This is what it looks like. It's like a crop top that's long sleeve, and the back has this really cute cutout. She got me a size 2, so I might need to exchange it because it looks a little small, but I still need to try it on and stuff. But I'm so excited. This is perfect for working out in the winter time. I got a bunch of things from Summer Fridays. My mom got a bunch of things from Summer Fridays. So first we have the Summer Fridays Cloud Dew Gel Cream. Let me see what it looks like. It's so cute. I'm obsessed with Summer Fridays in general, but their packaging is just like a 10 out of 10. Then she also got me the, oh, a bigger version. My skin can get so dry, so I'm really excited about this. Oh, cute. Okay, and it comes with this little like spatula thing that you can put it on your face. And then she got me the Summer Fridays Heavenly 16 all-in-one face oil. I love oils. Great for gua shaing. The packaging is so freaking cute. Next, we have 3 different hair clips from the brand MEJ. I have been eyeing their hair clips for so long, but they are a little pricey. Each hair clip is like $35, I'm pretty sure. So I'm very surprised that my mom actually bought it, because I know she'd be like, what? $35 for one hair clip? But she got me 3 of my favorite ones on their website, so let me show you guys them. It's this super cute blue checkered one. And oh my gosh, you guys, I've seen this all over Pinterest and Instagram. And this is their big daisy clip. Look at how freaking cute this is. Like, putting it up in your hair. Oh my gosh. Finally, the last one is this cherry one. I think this is so classic and elegant. The cherries are adorable too. This is also from the Skinny Confidential. This is the Ice Queen face oil. This is what you're supposed to use before you ice roll your face. The pink is just such a good color. This also has pomegranate and raspberry, which are like 2 of my favorite things. The rest of the stuff is a bunch of stocking things. When I was younger, we did a lot of like knickknacks in the stockings, just because Catherine and I like love toys and all that stuff. But now a lot of our stockings are like less things, but they're more meaningful, and the quality of it is a lot better. So first off, gum. This isn't really high quality, but we always have gum in our stockings like every single year. Car air fresheners. I'm so excited. Look at how freaking cute these are. And my mom also got us another car air freshener. And it says Dunder Mifflin. Yeah, I'm really excited to put these in my car. Then we got gift cards. So this one is a $100 Lululemon gift card. My mom also got my sister one because she knows how much we love shopping at Lululemon. And then she got me a $50 Sephora gift card because I love makeup. Said gift cards are always the best. Sometimes it's scary, like you don't want to pick out the wrong thing, but you can always play it safe with these. Also in my stocking are these Bye Bye bloat pills. I take these like every single night, and my mom knows how much I love them, so she went to Ulta and got some of these. Such a great stocking gift. She knows me so well. Also in my stocking was a custom ring that says my name and then my middle name. Let me show you guys. It's so cute. I can't believe my mom got it. She got one for my sister too. It says Caroline Quinn. It's so cute. And then my sister got one as well. Custom rings are just the best gifts ever. I think they're so timeless. And they really mean a lot. Then my sister and I each got a sticker in our stockings. Mine is a verse from the Bible. It says, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. And it's Philippians 4:13. Then we got a bunch of jewelry from Altered State, which is like one of my sister and I's favorite brands to shop at. So first I got this pack of hoop earrings. I love hoops. I wear them all the time. And I'm really excited for the different sizes because I've got 3 holes in each of my ears, plus a cartilage, so I'm gonna be using all these. Then I got another pack of earrings. This one's a little different. These are all studs, but they're so cute. Oh wait, no, the bottom one are hoops. These butterfly studs are so adorable. And the last jewelry item we got, it's a little tangled. It's this layered necklace pack. Love all of the jewelry. Oh, my aunt got me a gift card to Williams-Sonoma because she knows I am going to be so stressed once I move into my house, and I'm gonna need like all these pots and pans. So I'm gonna put this to use once I go to Boise. That way I don't have to like carry all these things to there now. I'm trying to think what else. So I just wanted to do today's video as what I got for Christmas from like my family and stuff. We had a celebration with Miss Rhonda's family. They got the cutest gifts. I already like put them all away though, so I can't show them. I got gifts from my friends. Lexi got me the cutest Skims outfit, which I showed in one of my Vlogmases. Brian got me the sweetest gifts. One of them I'm wearing right now. I'm trying to think what else. Maddie got me a really good gift. She got me Super Goop sunscreen and a book that I've been really wanting. And yeah, it's just been a really good Christmas. I'm so thankful for my health and all of my family's health, and I hope that all of y'all are staying safe. I know there's like the new Omicron strand of COVID, which is like so scary. Stay safe, and I love you guys so much. Have a Merry Christmas, and thank you guys for sticking around for Vlogmas. I know I missed 3 days. That's just something that I'm not really gonna go into much detail, but I really apologize for kind of going MIA. A lot of people were like, did you quit Vlogmas, all this stuff? But I hope that you guys liked it. I tried to do my best for the 21 days that I could, plus this day. So anyways, I love y'all so much. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.